success story of cure for Bruxism. The downturn of the economy has seen a surge in the number of stress-related diseases. The volume of people inflicted with bruxism is on the rise, as stress is one of the major causes for the illness. Unintentional clenching of the jaw or grinding of the teeth that occur during the sleep can cause severe damage to the health of the teeth. There are many treatments offered to cure bruxism. The degree of success, however, varies with the people. While some factors like night-mouth guards add protection to the teeth, there have been instances where the people have chewed through these protective coverings. The ineffectiveness of the treatments he resorted to fight over bruxism forced him to come up with a procedure to overcome this distressing habit. The long effort put in by Harrison trying to find out the root cause for the same, and the factors that improved or worsened the condition helped him to develop a natural way of healing bruxism. This program helps one in identifying the symptoms of the illness, which would otherwise lie undetected, as the grinding of teeth generally occurs during the sleep. The author speaks of natural remedies, and some 2-minute exercises which would help in getting cured from bruxism. Cure bruxism yourself at home, without paying a fortune to go to the dentist. Click here. Stop Bruxism Info Pro Co.